first courthouse. So there's a lot of
Hello,
history
everybody.
in here for sure. Charlie.
Popping Scooter. We got everything, got the biddies in the bird cage now. They are enjoying it. See him get up on the perch. Look at that. Watch it. Look at it. Oh, shook. That's a pretty big bird cage. But they are enjoying that. They like to see out and look around. Plus that light's in there to keep them warm. But they won't be easier to clean. And their foot, that little wire there, I don't believe it's gonna hurt their feet. They act like they enjoying it, so that's the main thing. All right. Cody, what do you think about it?
He said winter, winter chicken dinner.
Yeah, winter, winter chicken dinner, he's thinking.